Display innovation is evolving fast, and MicroLED is at the forefront. But to harness its full potential, developers need more than just promising components. They need real, working solutions. That's why VueReal has created a series of reference design kits, or RDKs, a toolkit to empower OEMs, researchers, designers, and developers to accelerate product development and integration using our MicroSolid Printing technology. Each RDK includes a fully operational MicroLED display or lighting module, along with a driving board, USB-C development interface, control software, and optional engineering support. These kits are designed for rapid prototyping, proof-of-concept demonstrations, and system-level integration testing, cutting down months of development into days. Whether you're building a next-gen wearable, an interactive AR headset, a transparent automotive dashboard, or smart lighting modules, VueReal's RDKs let you start building today. Our smart modular lighting RDKs and smart hybrid lighting kits are built for the demands of automotive, architectural, industrial, and medical lighting. With brightness levels up to 20,000 nits, these micro-LED light engines enable precision illumination, adaptive messaging, and intelligent lighting experiences. And what makes them truly unique is VueReal's advanced phosphor integration and reliable lamination technologies. These enable smooth color conversion, thermal stability, and seamless integration into curved or complex surfaces, making our lighting solutions not only ultra-bright and efficient, but also practical for real-world deployment. Whether you're designing dynamic vehicle lighting, responsive architectural panels, sterilizing lights in medical devices, or machine vision systems in factories, these kits give you the building blocks to innovate. VueReal's 0.35-inch high-brightness micro-display RDK delivers a staggering 1 million nits with 1280 by 720 resolution in an ultra-compact footprint. Whether you're developing AR smart glasses, automotive heads-up displays, or next-gen wearable optics, this kit gives you a ready-to-test display in your preferred color, red, green, or blue. Our transparent display kits, available in 3.5-inch and 10-inch models, deliver full-color RGB visuals, high brightness, and up to 85% transparency. Perfect for automotive windshields, smart kiosks, wearable tech, transit signage, and interactive glass. These displays are ultra-thin and seamlessly integrate into your surfaces, enabling stunning visuals without compromising visibility. Each kit is backed by real-time video support and engineering assistance, so you're never left figuring it out alone. And thanks to our scalable MicroSolid Printing platform, every RDK is a direct path to high-volume manufacturing. You can go from idea to market with the same building blocks, tested, supported, and production-ready. VueReal's RDKs are more than just samples. They are your launchpad to scalable micro-LED integration. From lighting to wearables, from AR to automotive, we're enabling the future of display and illumination technology. Start faster, innovate smarter, scale with VueReal.